Stop wasting time peeling Target pasters by hand. If you've ever spent more time picking out a sticker, backing it with cold fingers, than actually shooting, then you know how frustrating it is. This is the YH30 handheld label applicator, and it's designed to automatically peel and stick round, square, and irregular Target pasters in a fraction of a second. There's different adjustments for different sizes, and right out of the box, the YH30 feels lightweight but incredibly sturdy, which is exactly what you want in a tool. And you'll just throw it in your bag and be ready to go. It supports labels from 22 millimeter to 35 millimeter, and loading it is surprisingly straightforward. You just thread the roll of Target pasters through this feeder mechanism here. You put the wheel of tape on there and you lock it in place and you're ready to go. The mechanical sensor automatically detects the edge of the next paster, so you don't have to manually line anything up, and it just triggers one after another onto the box or the poster, whatever it is you're trying to label. It works very well for putting on tags in store display areas, and you just simply run it over and it sticks automatically. It's perfectly aligned to work seamlessly and easily to do round dots, square pasters, or custom irregular shapes. And it rolls them out without making wrinkles or bubbles. Now, you have really good instructions that come in the box here and tells you how to do this. This product was provided for me to share with you, and it's a very nice product, and I highly recommend it. You are going to be very pleased with the quality of this tape dispenser and how easily it works. The biggest pro here is the sheer speed and efficiency. It keeps your momentum going while you're doing your labeling, and the mechanical design means no batteries to charge or die on you while you're using it. It's a game changer in execution. If you like this video, please like it and follow us for more from brands like these.